Music. Need a CVS Caremark online pharmacy review? Let's dive in. I'll give you a quick, honest look at my experience with their features. Check the description for helpful links. CVS Caremark simplifies getting your meds, whether it's refills or specialty medications. Manage everything from home. Love the automatic refill option, never run out of essentials. Perfect for managing chronic conditions. Prefer digital health management? CVS Caremark lets you track orders, access prescription details, and set refill reminders, all through their easy-to-use app or website. Your health data is safe with their secure, encrypted platform. Great for everyone, but especially helpful for busy individuals, seniors, or those with mobility issues. Their specialty pharmacy services provide personalized support and expert guidance for complex health needs. Plus, their customer service is fantastic. Shipping times can vary, so plan ahead. Overall, CVS Caremark is a reliable and convenient online pharmacy. It's a time saver with great flexibility and support. Thanks for watching. More info and product links are in the description.